we are like this now. I'm sure you don't say the come out. Eh? Show now, show. I get outside. Which side is that day? Which side?
Hi.
Waiting. Oh yeah, now. I stand that side.
I'm sorry. I actually for yesterday, I'm sorry. I just wanted to apologize properly for what happened yesterday.
Oh, say now you safe. When they come back, abi they go through a lot. Which one?
Actually, I was going through a lot, and I sincerely apologize for my actions yesterday.
You don't come back now.
So this is my own way of sincerely apologizing to you. I don't know. I just closed from work and I'm heading out to go have lunch. So I don't know if it's okay for me to invite you to come join me for lunch. That's my own way of saying I am really sorry.
Bros, you just see person for road. You say you want to go lunch. That's all I did do.
To be honest, I meant no disrespect. Okay?
No. These people will get money. I don't get problem. Oh. You just see person for road, you won't go give her food chop. It's good, yeah, but I know you chop that kind of food. I know you chop that kind of food. No more, I don't forgive you. No hard feelings.
Okay.
Yes, no one. About where you there now?
So you are...
Because I know follow you go chop food. You won't give me which. About I don't say now. A normal sport guy now stand.
Yeah, okay. I have not been seeing Miriam in this house. I have not been seeing her lately. Is there something going wrong?
Mom, you worry a lot over nothing, to be honest.
Please shut it. Shut it up.
Mom, okay, you're obstructing my view. If at all you want us to talk, why not just come here and sit and we'll just talk?
My friend, will you keep quiet? I want an answer. And right now.
Okay, fine. We are not compatible.
That's not enough reason for you to leave her. It is not enough.
She cheated, Mom.
And so? How are you sure about that? John, you are old enough to get married. Yes, you're even getting too old.
Even to a cheating woman?
It doesn't matter. How do you know? Can you prove it? Get married and get children. That's what I want.
I'm getting to... Come to think of it, at 30, getting too old?
Whatever. All I want is grandchildren. Is that clear?
Okay, Mom, I said I am sorry.
You're sorry?
What do you want me to say? Okay, what do you want?
John, I want grandchildren.
Fine, done. Can we go to the dining? Let's go eat, please.
John.
Mommy, please, let's go, please.
Okay. Yes, I called you. I'm hungry.
Come on, Mom. You just ate 3 hours ago now.
Is that in food? That thing you gave me to eat, is it food? Mba, it's not food.
Mom, can you just stop this? Don't do something that would get me so irritated and pissed off this night.
Just calm down. Calm down. That thing you gave me is not food. I don't even know what it is.
Then what
I
is it?
want food prepared by a wife, a woman. A properly prepared apple. That's what I want to eat.
Mom, please, I want to go to my room and sleep.
Mba. Never. Sit down.
Mommy, stop this.
I'm
Stop.
hungry.
Stop. Okay, can we do this tomorrow? Can we talk about this tomorrow? Tomorrow we'll sort it out.
Don't say it. Don't you ever say it. You want to kill me? Come on. John, come. Just bring your leg down. Bring it
Can
down.
you stop? Why are you behaving like a pregnant woman? Just stop.
Exactly. That is the word. That is it. When you bring a woman into this house, you will impregnate her and give me grandchildren. And then she will cook good food. Okay. What's your problem? Am I asking too much?
Yes, you're asking for too much. By this time of the night, it's too much. Probably maybe tomorrow morning, then I would know if it's much or not. But by this time of the night, it's much.
John, I cannot survive it. I'm hungry. I want to eat.
No, please, not tonight. Please, let me just go and rest.
Don't just walk away. Don't wait, John. I will shout, oh. I will shout.
Everything she says, marriage. The air she breathes, marriage. The seat she sits on, marriage. She talks everything marriage. Like, I'm tired of it. Of course I do. I guess I've not found the right person. Oh, please, can you not just go there? She's all shades of brown. Oh, please. You wish. She's not the air that I breathe, please. Can we talk about this later? I'm running late for work.
Is you? Okay. She's no longer the air you breathe.
Mom, please, I'm running late for work.
So who's gonna make me breakfast?
Okay, Mom, can we not just do this? You know what? I'll just have to leave a notice in front of the gates and search for
You won't do that. You won't dare. You will not dare. You won't try it. How dare you? You want to leave a signpost on your gate. I need a wife, not a maid. Is that clear?
Mom, please. I don't think this is the right time for this. I am running very late for work, okay? I'm about to talk about this later. I'll see you soon. Bye. Take care of yourself. Bye.
Don't you think bringing back Miriam will make some sense?
Mom, are we still in on this conversation?
Yes, of course.
What aspect of she cheated don't you understand?
She cheated. Don't you cheat?
Come on, Mom. Are you really comparing us? Like, I'm a man.
Exactly. Because you are a man, you can go on cheating while the woman sits at home. Is that what you're telling me? You're free to do whatever you want to do. And you're putting your finger around that. You don't want to even release it. Cheat. Okay, fine. What next?
Oh my goodness. Mom, can we not just do this, please? Can we not do it? She's not the perfect person for me. Please. She's more like a demon in disguise, a devil in disguise. Please.
John.
Yes, Mom.
The devil you know is better than the angel you know nothing about.
I'm not this particular devil. This devil I know is way, way, way too strong. I know this devil in and out. And this devil is nothing compared to the angel I know nothing about. Please. You don't really know Miriam. I know her more than you do. Like, I'm close to her. I know her. I know her demons. I know everything pertaining to this girl. Aside the fact that she's a cheat, come on, mom, she's all shades of wrong. Badly behaved, her manners, she tells a lot of lies. Mom, she's a lot. I can't start breaking down those things. Like, even the room, she do too much. Like, oh God, mom, I can't explain everything to you. Can we just dead this conversation and just move on? Just go to your room. Maybe we'll talk about something else tomorrow, please.
John! Where are you coming from? Where are you coming from? John! What kind of a child is this? Ah! Sim, what's your problem? When did you start drinking, John? When? You may kiss the bride. You may kiss the bride. John, stop drinking. Stop drinking. I don't know when you start this one. Go and get married. You refuse. Get married. You refuse. Get married, John. God. Oh.
Good evening, mom.
What time is it? If you have a wife and kids,
Will I be coming back home by this time? Yes, mom, I know already what you want to say. Please, can we not just do this? Please. No maid has applied yet.
they did. But I sent every one of them away because I do not need maids. John, I need a wife, not maids. Do you get it? Do you understand exactly what I'm driving at? I want a wife, not a maid.
Okay, mom. Please, can I go freshen up?
Really?
Yes. Excuse me, please.
Thank you so much.
You're
Thank you
welcome,
so
Ma.
much, my darling.
You're welcome.
I'm grateful.
I cannot see a woman that's old enough to be my mother carry such a heavy load. I won't let that happen.
Come on. Do you live around here?
Yeah, I stay close to this place.
Really?
Yes, Ma.
You're such a nice girl.
Thank you, Ma.
I want you to do something for me.
Okay.
I need you to call me as my card.
Oh, okay, I'll call you, Ma.
Yes. I need you to do that.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
All right.
Okay? Take care of yourself.
Take care. Bye.
Call me.
Okay, bye.
Such a beautiful girl. So, you still have girls like this? At this time, this one will be very good for John. my angel. How are you doing? And how did your day go? Good. Yes, I called to thank you for all your help and also remind you of the dinner date. Thank you so, so much. Oh, yes, of course. Thank you. Yes. Bye. Hmm.
Can I call you back, please? No. Mom? Good morning.
Morning, my darling.
You're up so early. Where can I get to?
Yeah, I want to go to the market.
Since when, Mom? What actually finished in the house? I could get it while returning from work.
Oh, no, don't worry. I'll come back soon. Don't worry, okay? You just wait for me, I'm coming.
I should wait for you. I'm going to work.
Oh, yes, that's true. Before you come back from work, I'll be here. Okay?
What's going on with my mom? It's quite strange. Since when did she start waking up so early and going to the market? Okay.
You're welcome.
My your house is so beautiful.
Thank you.
Oh my god, it looks like
Sit
heaven
down.
on earth.
Make yourself comfortable.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Wow. My son will soon join us, okay?
Okay.
He's on his way from work. Well. Hello, young man. You're here already. Sit down. Don't worry, sit down. Sit down. Don't worry. Yes! So, you're welcome, my dear.
Thank you, Ma.
Okay, come on. Melody, this is John, my son. John, this is Melody.
Hi, John.
Hi, Melody.
So, tell us about yourself.
Okay, Ma. I am Melody Opara from River State. I am the only child of my parents, although my parents traveled 2 years ago to the States. I was with them, but I got back. Yeah.
Really? Your educational background?
I studied at Landmark University.
Wow.
And I did my master's at Oxford.
Wow! That's beautiful.
Thank you.
So, are you single?
Hey, Mom.
Don't mind him. He's doing that because he's single. So I want to ask you, are you single?
Yes, Ma, I am single.
Good.
I broke up with my boyfriend.
Really?
Yeah.
Come on, let's go. What are you waiting for? Let's go. Oh, that's yummy. Don't worry, go on, go on. Yes, let's have it.
I got off.
I am fine, John. This one, your voice sounds like this. Are you okay?
My mom is just trying to frustrate me.
What has she done this time?
Can you imagine my mom brought in a stranger into my own house? Huh? And saying that she's the kind of girl for me. Who does that?
You are kidding, right?
That's serious, bruv. Like, I'm really frustrated. My tie, you know what? Please, can I come to your place and stay for like, let me say, give or take 2 or 3 days?
It's okay, you can come. My house is like your house, you know.
Okay, thanks, bruv.
What's happening? This isn't like John. At this time of the day. What's going on? Let me come here to tell you. Hello. My daughter, you're so fun. I want you to stop this man and call me Big Mommy, okay? I'm fine. I'm fine. And you? Well, John is not home. He hasn't returned. No, he did not. I don't really know. I'm confused. Oh, so thoughtful of you. Thank you so much. I love you. Thank you. Okay. Bye. Come in. Come in, come in, come in, come in. Come in. Yeah. Make yourself comfortable.
Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're free to stay as long as you want. I'm so happy you're at home now. So all I want you to do is just relax and be comfortable. Okay?
Okay.
Can I get you something to drink?
No, I'm fine. I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Yes.
So this is your home now. Okay?
Okay, Mama.
So let me show you to your room. Okay?
Alright.
So that you relax. Hmm? Okay, let's go.
Thank you so much, Mom.
Come on. Yeah.
Hi.
And what are you doing here?
Your mom asked me to come around.
My mom, what?
She asked me.
Mom! Mom!
Oh, okay. Mom, what's she doing here?
The height of disrespect, son. Is this how you greet your mother?
Mom, the only person that should be upset here about being disrespected is me. So I don't even understand what the stranger is doing in my home.
You say no such thing about this girl because she has been the one helping me.
Okay, Mom, you will have to ask her to leave my house, please. Because I don't understand why you would carry out such ridiculous act. It's really, really outrageous. And I can't fathom it.
That's a lie! That's a very big lie. She's going nowhere.
Okay, Mom, please, can we try to be civil here? Please.
Good. Sit down.
Okay, Mom.
Fast.
Alright.
Okay, Mom, please, can we try to be civil here? This isn't working. You should go back to our house. Hey, madam, stand up.
Okay. Sit down.
Madam, stand up. No, leave.
Sit down! Okay. Are you okay? Sit.
Guy, do you remember the girl I told you my mom invited over for dinner?
Yes?
Can you guess what?
If you want to say something, spill it. You know I'm not good with guessing.
Okay, she's under my roof.
You aren't serious. How did that happen?
My mom brought her over. My mom asked her to, actually.
This is really extreme.
My point exactly, it's extreme. Because I've been panicking since I got back from work. I can't really fathom it. Like, it makes no sense, literally. Jacob, please, can I call you back?
Hi. Oh.
What are you doing here?
I'm spending the night here.
You're spending what night here? Oh. Do you know it's quite disrespectful for you to be invading my privacy?
Oh, sorry.
And who asked you to come here?
Your mom.
My mom?
Yes. Baby, sleep.
And if you don't take this waste out of my sight now, I will disfigure it.
Okay. Okay. Baby.
Ouch. Oh my goodness. It's this now. My house is gradually turning into a living hell for me. What's... Oh my goodness.
Hello?
Oh,
Maurice, you're always running. You're always running. Calm down.
okay.
Calm down.
Okay.
You understand?
Mm.
Melody, I just finished preparing your breakfast.
You said?
Melody has finished preparing your breakfast.
Who?
Melody.
Okay. What about reading? I'm not very listening.
See, that guy no go fit thief that thing. Forget that thing. The guy no go fit. Now wait till they try make
Why
this
they
guy.
doubt me? What did they worry? Why they doubt me?
That no be that guy for that this thing. The guy no fit thief
You
that
don't
kind
get
thing
information
now.
past me.
Okay.
Oh, God.
See, you know say for this as everything dey like this now. You feel dey like this, maybe person no like you. They feel come and say they find person for you. The guy feel just go tell police people say na you, say na you.
Don't be by liking.
No, wait now, wait.
Don't be liking.
You know they understand what
How
I
many people
tell
don't
you.
talk am?
That one day,
Uh-huh.
that one day, but we know for this one we dey talk.
No, see my guy.
I
No,
don't
see
know
what
why
I
I'm criminal.
wait. See what I did. The person to go just tell police say na you. Say na you be the person wey kidnap that
Don't be
person.
by
wey dey
this
fight.
one.
Before you know they go change to
I know people talk.
I don't understand.
Okay, what you worry you?
Wetin dey worry you na? No problem o.
But I signaled you guys that I want to leave.
You say you wan leave. When you no just reverse back, see road plenty na.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. I have a lot going through my mind. Yeah.
Okay, wanna they go where they go. Which one I wanna? I be able to know they
Bros, na wow.
don't get reverse. They go where they go.
So
Don't
guys,
be road for you.
I don't want to.
Believe me. Let me they tell you something. Believe me.
na the thing wey we dey talk about be this. See
Believe me,
that
that guy na
I
criminal.
swear to
I
God,
dey
that
tell
guy
you
no
what
fit
I
do
know.
that thing.
Oh God.
See-
What two people don't talk? Me, I dey tell you now.
But they say two people don't talk and
The
no
guy
be
na
say
criminal.
if he no be say na him, na what see. Area like this, I'm sure you don't say the come out. Eh? Sure now, sure. I dey outside. Which side una dey? Which side?
Hi.
Wetin? Oya na. I stand that side.
I'm sorry. I actually for yesterday, I'm sorry. I just wanted to apologize properly for what happened yesterday.
Oh, say na you sef. When they come back, abi they go to a lot. Which one?
Actually, I was going through a lot, and I sincerely apologize for my actions yesterday.
You don't come back now.
So this is my own way of sincerely apologizing to you. I don't know. I just closed from work and I'm heading out to go have lunch. So I don't know if it's okay for me to invite you to come join me for lunch. That's my own way of saying I am really sorry.
Bros, you just see person for road, you say you wan carry am go lunch. That's all I dey do.
To be honest, I meant no disrespect. Okay?
No. These people wey get money, I don't get problem. Oh. You just see person for road, you wan go give her food chop. E good, yeah, but I know you chop that kind of food. I know you chop that kind of food. No worry, I don't forgive you. No hard feelings.
Okay.
Yes, no one. About where you dey now?
So you are...
Because I know follow you go chop food. Oh. You won't give me which. About I dey outside now. A normal sports guy now stand.
Hey. What's the meaning of this?
Just wanting to.
Since when? What's your problem?
Baby.
And who's your baby?
Baby, I just want you to touch me.
It seems like something is wrong with you.
Okay. No. I'm fine. Okay. Maybe just
What's your problem?
one
If
time.
you come close to me again, I'll disfigure your bones. What's the meaning of this now? Is it that you're not well behaved or what? Or you've lost your manners? Is your sanity intact?
Yeah, baby, Baby.
This one is not even normal.
Oh.
Don't tell me someone is trying to keep fit.
Oh, what did you expect? Oh, you expect everyone to walk around with pot belly like you, right?
I thought this was about you. Waiting, come bring my pot belly
No
inside.
vex. Guy. Alva, Can I come spend the weekend at yours?
Guy, you have been running from your home lately. How long do you intend to continue running?
My brother, peace of mind is very important, you know. Moreover, I can no longer breathe at my place. Can you imagine that girl sleeps in my room?
But there are other rooms now.
Exactly my point.
Then ask someone out.
Brother, to be honest, I have no eye for anyone for now.
Okay, hire someone to throw her out then.
You know you're crazy, right? You know that, I'm serious. You're an idiot. Get out of my phone. See you soon, yeah. So what should I do? Jacob may be right. But I don't have any friend. How do I go about it now? What? Okay, I think I should call this girl Amaka. Oh shit! I don't even have a number. So you don't think that I can even see her randomly on the street like that? Come on, what was I thinking?
Hi, baby. Mom wants you out for dinner.
Hey, I'm not your baby. Secondly, I'm not hungry.
Why? Whatever.
Wait. Wait.
Please, can I have a moment?
Which moment? What happened?
Can I speak with you, please?
Okay, they speak now.
Actually, I've been looking for you everywhere. I even went to the spot I saw you the other time. But I didn't find you. I couldn't find you, so...
Bros, why you dey find me? Wait, so you just they follow me everywhere. Anywhere where I go, they trace me, they go. Wetin happen?
No, it's not what I meant. I'm sorry. I don't know. I just wanted to have a word with you.
Which word? Bros, the other time you don't come, okay, you won't jam me, you don't say sorry. I don't hear. Why you dey follow me? So tell you say you don't go spot, go find me. Which spot be that? I be a shower.
I didn't mean it that way, okay? Okay, my bad. I'm sorry.
Bros, you're bad, you are sorry, you apologize. Wetin happen? Why you dey find me? I hold your placenta.
No.
So wetin happen now?
Okay, the thing is that I've been going through a lot, like I said the other time, and I needed someone to talk to. I needed to offload the...
Bros, since the day when I meet you till now, you see they go through a lot. You no wan come back?
It's just I need your help to actually come back. I just needed to talk to someone. Like I needed a shoulder to, to lean on. I just want to have a word with you.
Bros, I bet if you need shoulder, go all those therapies or go meet pastor. I no fit help you.
Please.
Wetin happen now? I'm gonna see problem. Wetin happen, bros?
Let's have it. Just even if it's 1 minute.
Which minute? Wetin we wan go talk?
In my car. Let's just please.
Waiting.
Please, I'm sorry.
Waiting.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Now so sorry. Apologize. Okay, fine. Waiting.
Okay, can I just talk to you for a minute, please? If I say rubbish or if I say anything you don't like, just go. Please. Beg of you, please. Please.
This is waiting.
I'm sorry. So this has been my problem all along. To be very honest, she's been a pain in the ass. Like my mom has been tormenting me with her and all of that. That's why I said I've been going through a lot. I needed someone to talk to. It's not been easy for me. It's been so frustrating at home.
You dey really go through a lot. You need try come back.
I want to. That was why I need your help. I needed someone to talk to. I needed someone to... I don't know. It's frustrating. And I want to ask you a question. I don't know if I'm going to sound stupid if I say this. Do you have a job?
You really sound stupid.
I'm sorry. I meant, can you be my girlfriend for like 4 weeks?
You say waiting. Me, your girlfriend for 4 weeks.
Yeah, it's just I want to hire you.
You won't hire me. You see they talk the thing.
I'm sorry.
Bros, you were?
Yes.
I'm not sure.
3 million.
You dey call money?
Okay, 5 million. Is she not taking calls? This is really frustrating. Hey, hello, hi, greetings, good day, I'm sorry, I'm so sorry, hi, I was actually worried. I've searched for you everywhere, I've been looking for you, I tried to call you, at some point I was really scared, I felt like maybe something happened to you, I went back to the spot where I saw you the other day, I couldn't find you, I was thinking maybe something happened to you. Are you ready? Let's go.
Go where?
My place.
Bros, but me and you, I go as go they think this thing. I don't be sad that I agree. Say make we go. Go how now?
Hey,
That's what they take they go.
7 million. 7 million.
Bros, I never tell you say I don't green.
8
like
million. 8 million.
Bros, wait.
8 million,
Which way they? I go follow.
Don't do this to me, please.
Bros, I go
Please
follow.
don't do this to me, please. I'm going through a lot. I'm going through. Okay, sorry.
See as people they look you.
It's better. I'd rather face this embarrassment. Do you know what I'm going through at home? My mom, that ingrate, that unfortunate being in the house, they're trying to frustrate the hell out of me. Please, I beg of you, please.
Bros, waiting.
Please, I beg you. I cannot leave you, please. I will die. You don't want me to die here. I will die. Please, I beg you.
It just the papa waiting. Leave me first now. Okay. Calm down.
But it's not being easy for me. I'll be going through a lot. I don't really mind. Okay, I'll take you out to just go for lunch. At least you eat something, and from there we'll go to the house.
Bro, now news you dey. Now news you dey cast. Calm down first now.
Maurice, please. This way, please. Oh, Mom. Oh. Greetings, Mom.
You're welcome, son.
How are you?
Who is she?
Amaka here is my girlfriend.
Good evening, ma'am.
Amaka, my mom.
Good evening.
Just ignore her. It's always like this.
You say do.
Just ignore, yeah? Come, let me show you to your room. Please. This way, okay?
Mom, this is total disrespect. Why would John bring another lady into this house knowing I'm here?
Calm down, okay? She's not your level.
Mom, I love John. I love John. I don't want any problem.
Don't call him John. Call him your husband.
I love my husband. I love my husband. I don't like this. I love my husband. You don't belong here. You better know your boundaries in this house. And don't forget, I'm watching you. Rubbish. Please. Waiting happen. Where's my man? Who be this one? Who be your man? Who be your man? John. And I know he's inside there. Go call him out now. No, out. Wait, go shh. Man ask you. What is he do you? Eh? They know they show you love for house. Where they pursue love like this by fire, by force. I don't have your time. Where did they go? Eh? Where did they go? Oh my god. Eh? See, Mommy! Mom waiting. But where? If you see your man, you know go sabi am. They shut up at night. They find John, Mommy, that Etiko.
Hey, my guy, what's up?
You know Greek called me for days now, so I decided to call.
Actually, I got a lot busy lately.
Too busy to call your best friend.
Oh, now you know we're best friends, right? And you left the country without telling me anything.
Guy, I apologized.
Anyway, that makes both of us.
Anyway, how is your mom and your wife?
Wife, really? Anyway, speaking of wife, guess what?
Don't tell me you finally fell in love with her.
Hilarious. Actually, I did what you asked me to. Yeah.
What did I ask you to do?
I had a girlfriend.
Don't tell me you did something that stupid.
Stupid, really? Are you kidding me? But trust me, it works like magic. Like, you need to see this fake girlfriend of mine. She's ras as hell. And she's on point. My house is a lot more like Fuji House of Commotion.
I can only imagine what it looks like. But guy, be careful.
I sure will be careful. You know what? Let me run along, okay? I'm running very late for work. I'll speak with you later. Yeah, later. Cheers, bro. Just hang up. Hey. What's it?
Eh?
It's like this.
I will tell you something.
Just like this gist is breathtaking.
See you now. Since when I come this, I know you. It's also 32 BNC. Eh?
This one you couldn't wait for me to come inside to give me this gist.
See, this thing they work. I swear to God, it they work. See. I swear, it they work.
And to be very honest, I must commend you.
Eh?
Like, you're really good at this thing. You can really act.
Yes.
I think you should consider a career in acting, you know. You should consider a career in acting.
Reduce your voice.
Okay.
Eh? Listen, in 3, 2, 1. Hey, baby!
Hey, sweetheart, how are you?
I'm fine. Welcome.
How have you been now?
Good.
Did you miss me much?
Not so much.
So what was happening on I missed you.
I miss you.
So what have you been up to?
Nothing.
Did you miss me much?
Yeah, so much.
Baby, Mommy said I should call you. She's calling you.
And who's your baby? And who's your mom? Have you lost track of your biological mom? Or you don't know where you kept your baby before? If you've given birth to one, it's possible because people like you should have multiple kids. By the way, I've been meaning to ask. What happened to your place? Don't you have a home? Or a house? Okay, if not for anything in this world, don't you have responsible parents or family members that are concerned of the whereabouts of their own daughter or sibling or sister, whatever it is?
Oh my God! Mommy! Okay, your mommy's calling you. Go! She's calling you. Okay. Oh.
Better. Even if it's all this cheap Chihuahua dog. Yeah, good evening, Mom.
Good evening.
How are you?
Welcome, I'm fine.
You called my phone.
Yes. Sit.
It's about time you will change this your chair.
You should have done that before now.
Well,
Yes. Anytime I call you, the first thing you do is, what's happening? What's wrong? What's going on?
okay, too many questions at the same time. What's my problem? What are my plans? What do I want? About my problem, I have no problem. Then number 2, what are my plans? I think that's an elaborate question. So you have to be more specific on what aspect you're trying to lay emphasis on. You have to be specific on what plan you're talking about.
Okay, fine. I mean your marriage plans with Melody.
My marriage plans with who?
Melody.
Well, come on. I don't even like this girl. I don't know her from anywhere. Not to talk more of having any marriage plans with her.
Learn to like her. Yes. You learn to like her.
And how do I learn to like her?
I don't care. Whatever way, however you want to. I just want you to learn to like her because I like her.
If you like her, it's your problem. Is there a school or tutorial or format on how I can learn to like someone I don't like?
My friend, will you shut up?
Mom, you know I don't like what I hate too. It's the gospel truth.
Will you keep quiet?
Well, Mom, the truth is that I have someone else in my life now.
What? You mean you want to marry that uneducated idiot? And leave this educated, well-behaved girl? Is that what you're telling me? Is that what you're saying to me, John?
No, what I'm saying is that uneducated idiot gives me joy.
Will you shut up?
No, Mom, it's the fact. And if this is why you called me or you sent for me, then I think I'm done here. I see no need to continue this conversation with you. I'm exhausted and I need to freshen up. So please, Mom, excuse me. I'm tired. Let me go.
John!
I'll see you later.
Yeah.
This young man is not bulging.
Can I be left to feel myself? Cause I'm not younger. Cause I have right to do things my own way. Can I get some space? Everything will be okay when it's time. So leave me alone.
Mom, I've been meaning to discuss something with you, but I don't want it to sound like I'm trespassing or so.
Feel free, say it. You don't need to ask, just say it.
Okay. I was wondering, since I have a master's degree in accounting, if I could work in the family company as an accountant.
That's nice.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, I'll just submit my CV to you. I'll do that.
No? Just resume tomorrow morning.
Oh my God, Mom! Thank you so much!
No, stand up. Get up, my dear. Stand up.
Mommy, I love you.
I love you too.
Thank you so much.
Up.
Oh, good.
Sit down. You're welcome anytime, okay?
Thank you. Okay.
Come. You dey craze. Eh? I said they swear for you. You dey craze. Are you stuck? You slap me? Come on! Oh my God! You dey craze. You be like this. See person, see Escalating. Just come on, stay here. I thought you want slap. You want slap. No, it's going on here. Come on for here. See this idiot. See this nonsense person who I don't even know where this one from come. I be like person where they play with. I go run scatter you anyhow. See this, who be this? They don't tell you. See, go ask them. I follow for people who run come out from hospital. And they talk, you want slap. See person.
What? You brought this mad woman into this house? She cannot even express herself. She cannot speak simple and correct English. And yet you want to spring somebody's arms?
It's okay.
You're a disgrace, son.
And then shut up.
What?
It's okay.
Oh my God.
Come on, my dear.
They do but this one.
Stand up. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Let's go.
You wake up and you take certain decisions without contacting anyone. What's the meaning of this? What's the meaning of this nonsense? I don't know who does that. What's this?
Calm down, man. I didn't hear your voice.
She's not my mom. How can she just make that girl the company's accountant? For what now? How? Make it make sense to me.
I don't understand.
Melody is now the company's accountant. Make it make sense to me. Make it make sense. Who does that?
Your mama, she said this girl before now.
Now that's the most frustrating part of it. She doesn't know this girl. From nowhere, there's no relationship between this girl and my mom. None whatsoever. No relationship at all.
So I don't know where to put my for inside. You should be just saying.
I don't know, Amaka, I don't know. I don't even know what to do at this point. I don't know what to do. Like, it's frustrating me. I'm gradually becoming a shadow of myself. I don't even understand it. No, how can I calm down? It makes no sense. Make it make sense to me. My mom will just wake up and she takes certain decisions in this house without contacting me. For what exactly? Of all people, that girl. Does she even know of her educational background to make her the company's accountant?
Don't wipe me belt before me. Madam. Wait. You like this? What will be your mission for this house?
Wait, I hope you ain't talking to me because I can't hear you.
You don't feel hear me. How you go hear me? When their shower walk and the way they force yourself, put for another man body, you don't block your ear, block your eye. Just say you know they even see me.
And the moment you realize that this is my husband's house, the better for us all. And look, don't you ever call me a shower again. Don't try it.
Wait. Come and tell you. I'll tell you something. As far as I did this house, anything we like the plan, you know go fit work. Moko better. You get my better, maybe. Shower, go find your stand.
Did she just call me a shower again? Are you mad? She called me a shower. Princess.
Ma, you get anything where you want chop so that I go cook, make all of us?
Do not want anything from you, an illiterate like you. So get out. I'm not hungry.
Mommy, come on now. You didn't have to say something like that. The poor girl just wanted to help.
Poor girl. Your mama said I'm illiterate. No problem. I'll be just in the guy.
Mommy? Would you love me to prepare something?
Oh, anything you want. I'm so hungry. Famished.
Okay, Mom.
Be fast, okay?
Okay.
I'll be waiting.
Amaka?
Shh. I'm okay.
But see, we see you now go to say it's a cook. No be even say that the cook is a cook.
Woo! Shame on you. You think I don't know my mother-in-law rejected your cooking? Rubbish.
Wow.
How do you know my favorite meal?
This is good.
I mean, what? This is really nice. Sorry. You're missing. Amaka, it's my money.
You see?
It's all my money.
John.
You're missing. Just remaining. Just remaining now.
Come out. Look at that.
Who brings it for you?
No, Madam Chuan for you.
Madam Chuan for you?
Yes.
Hello, Austin.
Mom, what's the meaning of this? What's the meaning of this nonsense? Why will you throw her things out?
She's a nuisance!
Hey, will you shut that gutter of a mouth? Next time if I'm speaking with my mom, you don't interrupt. This is a conversation between mother and son. And as such, you should stay out of it. So now you shut that gutter of a mouth and you sit your butt down on that chair. I wasn't talking to you. I don't like this. I don't like it, Mom. I don't like it. This is my house. And you will not take decisions without my permission. I don't like it. I beg of you, do not do this again. Please. Where's that? Come.
Come, please. I need to do this before everyone. I sincerely apologize to you. From the depth of my heart. Please. For whatever sin they must have created today and the embarrassments they must have cost you. I apologize. Please. And on that note, to make amends, name it. Whatever you want me to do for you, I'll do it. So you just mention it. It's my house, my rules, and my money. So you name it. Please. Go ahead, name it. Okay, what was the meaning of that?
See that man, my father, the old man. So the man don't make up mind. He say anywhere when you see or say go disgrace us. That make me rush to make come from there.
So why didn't you say so I could take care of it?
You don't need to do all those things. As that today now, I don't handle now. That make me they tell.
But there was a question you asked the man that seemed quite sensitive.
Just leave that. You leave that. I don't have everything, so don't worry. Everything there, okay now.
Are you sure?
Yes, are you sure?
But can you always tell me next time you have issues like
Who's there? Hold on. Who's...
Babe, say fine.
What are you doing here?
This house fine, no. You dey enjoy since, Abi? How shall we dey block me and man no come inside?
No be wetin we plan now, no be now.
Try be saying no be wetin we plan.
They go.
Stop that, you push me like that. I'm not come inside this place. House fine.
Mom?
Who's that?
Nobody. Somebody.
Good day, ma. Good day, ma.
Good day. How are you?
I'm fine, ma.
Who is he?
He's my...
She's my sister.
Yeah.
My sister.
Really?
Yes, ma.
But I thought you said you were the only child.
Yes, he's my cousin. We are related.
Yes. Cousin. Cousin, yes. She's my cousin.
Come on, make yourself comfortable.
So generous. Thank you so much, man. I'm sorry for the for being a bother. I am Pascal, by the way. I was just discussing with my sister here if I can stay in your house for 3 days or 4, if you don't mind.
Okay.
Yes, ma. Please.
Exactly. If you don't mind.
Make yourself comfortable.
Oh, thank you so
You're
much.
welcome.
Yeah. You have a very beautiful place, I must say.
Thank you.
Yes, and so the...
Amaka, I mean, it's crazy, don't you think so? Okay, no problem. Thank you. You're such a great friend. I really appreciate. Okay. I'll speak to you later. Okay, Mom, I don't understand. How do you bring people into my own home without my consent?
Are you okay? How dare you talk to me the way you just did? Are you alright? This is my home as well.
Mom, look, I bought this house with my own money after we lost Dad. And I decide who stays here and leaves this house. So let's be guided here. If you're not comfortable with it, then you go stay with Ada and her husband in Canada. I don't like it. You don't just wake up and you make certain decisions in my own house, under my roof. I don't like it, Mom. I don't like it. With all due respect, excuse me.
And who are you?
You. Do you know what? I don't use eye and take the fly for this house and say, who this guy really arrange my sister?
That doesn't answer my question. Who are you?
Say, I'm serious. You clearly say, yeah, my sister had a very serious relationship. Well, my name is Pascal. I am Melody's brother. I mean,
her brother?
Cousin. Yes. Nice meeting you. Nobody will tell you, man.
You sweat like this?
Are you a witch? What is your problem? What are you doing here?
I can hear sound for inside now. See, man, check it.
Get out! I'm praying. What is it?
Praying. Wait, they swear, carry duvet.
Get out.
I will put you on there. Back.
So you sweat me on phone call. Why not busy carrying conscience? As I ask you, you are Melody. And I really be brother and sister as soon as they claim. Because now she don't get better. So I say, I ask you, give my belly, talk true. Just follow me reason.
Amaka. Amaka. You want to hang clothes where your hand no reach, have you? You stand where me a picture fine. You hear me? No matter where they ask me like concern you, I take your business. You try to mind your business for this house, make peace for rain, yeah? You get why?
Make peace for rain.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me answer to the question, Abby.
Mind your business now.
Mind my business.
I need to do the same thing.
Okay. I understand, Sha. Make peace for rain, let me the answer.
Okay, come on here now. What be all this one?
Nothing.
We did jump now.
Make peace for rain, Abby.
How will I picture finance, so? Tomboy, we see the same period. Just less you know.
What's going on? You've been very busy lately. And you're barely at home.
You get excited the walk on. And I come.
Maka.
I swear.
I swear.
I am so happy. Yes, I'm so happy, very fulfilled. John, mom. Hey, give it to me. Give it to me. Bring the other one. Give it to me. Give it to me. Hey, bam. Oh, double. Oh, double. Oh, double. Hey. You are a man. You are a man. You have completed your assignment. Yes, very well. Congratulations.
Congratulations for what?
Our baby.
Our what?
Baby.
I'm pregnant.
You get belly. I bet how? Yeah, be you be Mary.
Exactly, please, because how did it happen?
Mary, Mama Jesus.
My friend, will you shut up? Shut it up right now. What's your problem? John, are you joking with me? Do you want to deny your first seed right in my presence, John?
I want to know see that the man will see.
It is not for them.
My friend, sit down. Sit. Sit. Get close to you.
Okay.
Close.
Are you insane?
Baby,
Come on, get out from here.
Go where?
Are you insane? What part of English language don't you understand? Stand up.
Okay.
Sit down.
Will you stand up from
Sit down there. Sit down there.
Count of three.
Stay
Don't
there.
leave this place now. 1,
2,
2,
3.
2.5.
Grip him very well.
Get. I'll punch you.
I will punch you. If I punch you, you will die.
Hey. Are you okay? But you don't look it. Talk to me, you can tell me. Whatever it is.
Ariko.
Amaka.
Ariko.
Is she okay? Okay.
Honey, I made your favorite meal. Just sit.
This will be the first and last time you call me honey again. I've said this to you countless number of times. Do not address me with that slur.
It's fine, just enjoy your meal. Make it live more, okay? I love you.
Right from Amaka.
Have you transferred the monies from his account to ours?
No, not yet. But it's not a problem.
What is not a problem? Hey, see, maybe he eats that food, begins to shake about to die. You move the money from his account to ours, then we leave this place.
Okay.
Hey, pick up your phone now. Why is she not responding to my calls? Take your calls now, please. Take your calls. Let's hope you're safe. Oh, she responded.
Baby, you're not eating.
I'm not your baby.
Your food will get cold. Please eat, okay? If you need me, just call me, okay? Enjoy.
Oh, shit. Hey, babe, what's up now? How are you? I've been trying to reach out to you to no avail. I've been calling your line, but you aren't answering the call. What do you mean by... What do you mean by it's poison? Wait. What do you mean by I should revisit my CCTV camera and I shouldn't let Melody and Pascal leave the house?
Don't you dare! Don't you dare! I'm supposed to stay here for just 3 days, please. I need to go now. You. What's it doing? If you move at all, I swear to you. Oh God. Oh my God. I need to go move and eat. I swear to God, I'll make sure I skin you both alive in this house.
Please. Oh God. Oh my God. Hey. Please. Please.
How dare you? You don't poison me? How dare you? You're insane?
we'll finally meet Melody Chijindu Gbemina. The only daughter, or would I say the only child of late Chief Paul Obiora Gbemina from Aguleri, Anambra State, Nigeria. Mr. Patrick Oko, aka Killer. Finally meet.
So you sabi me finish now, you follow this beautiful boy, they do anyhow. When me and you for their line. Fuck off.
So, it took me a long time to understand this whole game plan. On the 18th July, 8:15 p.m., you and your gang murdered Chief Bamidele Makinde.
What?
I made away with 20 million naira. Mr. John Fubara, ma'am, I would like to formally introduce myself to you. My name is Detective Amaka Ihemere, and I've been following this case for a very long time. When we met and you showed me her picture, I recognized her. Because how this whole thing is done is Amaka gets planted in a house and she gets all the information the gang needs before they strike. She has already gotten all she needs to strike. And just so you know, she is also pregnant for Killer.
What?
Yes. Killer, you also killed Ann Udo. 2 of you are under arrest for the murder of Chief Bamidele Makinde, murder of Ann Udo, and attempted murder of Mr. John Fubara.
He planned everything, no, it's his fault.
Let's say the grace.
Now I want you both to move, or my men will move you.
The police will no be God.
My friend, shut up!
Don't touch them.
Mommy?
Punish you there! I need just mommy, walk in there. Move!
Calm down, no. Just they calm down. Maybe like say, person don't know what to do.
Come on, you take that you bloody criminal. Take him out. Come out, Oga. Come out. I go come out. And I'll wait for you. Amaka. To the person you made the company accountant and firing someone who has been dedicated to us for 25 years. Or is it a desperation of wanting a grandchild and bringing a total stranger into our family home? What's this quest and hunger and rush for grandchildren and marriage? It's about time parents take a chill pill and not force your children into things or into the wrong hands of devourers like this. It makes no sense. It makes no sense.
I'm sorry.
All thanks to her. I, John Fubara, would have been a dead man.
No!
Yes!
I'm sorry.
Kinda be left to feel myself, cause I'm not younger. Cause I have right to do things my own way. Kinda get some space. Everything will be okay when it's time. So leave me alone. part of my plan.